Spice nuts with rosemary for the holidays. Since we are roasting, use raw nuts. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from Mika'sTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Prepare your fresh rosemary by cleaning the leaves off the stem. Finally mince the leaves. Warm 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons minced rosemary, stirring until aromatic. About 90 seconds. Set aside. In a bowl, mix together 2.5 cups of raw nuts. Mix, stir, and the rosemary infused oil. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon ground cayenne. Mix it well to coat the nuts evenly. Give the nuts a last toss in the bowl. Distribute in a single layer on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Place in the 300-degree oven for 18 minutes. Mixing every 6 minutes so they roast evenly. Remove from the oven to cool. Put the roasted nuts in a favorite serving dish for all to enjoy. This is a tasty snack for munching around the holiday. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my video.